So continuing my lectures on electro pneumatics, I will discuss about limit switches. This limit switch is actuated due to the position of the fluid power. And is usually a piston rod, or a hydraulic motor shaft. Or the position of the load, that what actually matters. Now, the actuation of a limit switch provides electrical signal that causes the appropriate response. So we can say that the limit switch performs the same operation as a push button switch. The only difference is that the push button switch is manually actuated, and the limit switch is mechanically actuated. So there are basically two classifications of this limit switch. One is called the lever actuated, and the second one is spring actuated. The lever actuated switch is basically a slow switch, whereas the spring actuated switch is actually a fast switch. Now, if you look into the cross section of this limit switch, it looks something like this. Schematically, it looks something like this. So it's basically the spring. This is 2, 4, and 1. So from here you can see that the fourth one, which indicates normally open switch, is present in this part, which is open, and there is one closed switch, which is 2, and one represents the order.